Hey, this is How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're comparing FX Replay, Tradingview, and Webull to answer one question. Which platform is the best choice for you? Let's start with FX Replay. It's all about practice and backtesting. If you're learning Forex or want to hone your trading skills, FX Replay allows you to replay past market conditions and test your strategies in real time. It's a unique feature for Forex traders who want to simulate trades without risk. But it's more niche and doesn't offer full charting or live trading features. Next, we have Tradingview. This is the go-to platform for most traders, Forex, stocks, crypto, you name it. Tradingview offers incredible charting tools, community insights, and the ability to test strategies using Pine script. Plus, with Tradingview's integration with brokers like Alpaca and Tradier, you can even automate trades. If you want flexibility and community, this is your choice. Lastly, Webull. This one's a broker, but it stands out with its commission-free trades and solid charting. Webull is beginner-friendly with great mobile and desktop apps. It's perfect if you want a platform for both live trading and paper trading without breaking the bank. However, it lacks the depth for features you get with Tradingview in terms of charting and customization. For me, I'd go with Tradingview since it's versatile, powerful, and has the best charting and community for traders. That's the breakdown, no fluff, no hype. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos right here on How to Literally.